So last year, beginning of last year, we went for a new fixed head with robot loader and bar feeder. That's been a really good investment. Off the back of that, we found the service from Dugard was really, really excellent. So we took the plunge and went for 2 Hanwha sliding head machines, 10mm XD machines. So both of these machines are 2 little 10mm machines, so all small parts, quite high intricate parts, very tight tolerances, and they've been really fantastic for that. So I've been running sliding heads for 20 years now, and when we got these in, the tolerance that they're holding is quite incredible. They don't seem to move, which ordinarily you come in, you start up a job that's got a very tight tolerance and you expect it to warm up, move a little bit and settle down. You have to tweak it to keep it in. With these, you start them up and they just seem to be in, and they don't move. So I don't know how, I don't know why, but it's quite nice because it cuts the pressure down in trying to keep those parts in tolerance. So yeah, they've been really fantastic and quite surprising. To be honest, we try and run them sort of 24/7 if we can. Due to the nature of the work, with the really tight tolerances, we tend not to risk too much overnight. Some of the materials are quite expensive, so we don't want to risk it. But we've not found that there's been any issues with running into the evenings. We haven't been going out of tolerance, so yeah, we probably could push it further than what we have done. But for what we're doing, we've been comfortable. So yeah, they've been really good. So I had immediate requirement for the first one that we ordered, and I ended up having to push it back a week. I think delivery was about 2 weeks on it. It was incredible. So yeah, I had to push it back because I had to move a few machines to make space. But yeah, it was good, and to have it in and running that fast was exactly what we needed.